Hi, folks, and welcome to Gulliver. My name's Fats, and Beach Bear, quit it. That's distracting me. What are you doing that for, Beach Bear? You interrupted my announcement.
Guess.
I don't know.
Is it a new guitar?
Nope.
A new wig?
What? I'm not wearing a wig.
New shorts?
New glasses?
Nope and nope.
Glasses? Beach Bear don't wear no glasses.
I know, Duke. I'm just speculating. He did wear blue ones once.
So what is it, Beach Bear?
Drum roll, please. I got my claws filed.
Is that all?
What do you mean, is that all? I've never looked better.
And that's your problem. Anyways, folks, we've eaten up enough time with this discussion, so stay with us and we'll be back in just 2 minutes for another great show.